Our team name is Dronerz, and our project title is AI Drone. We are in Suvasana Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Madurai. Team member details: myself, Abdul Rashid, 12th Suvasana Matriculation Higher Secondary School, team leader of the Dronerz.
Myself is Karthikesh from Search and Matriculation School, and our guide teacher is J. Ramakrishna of Department Science in Search and Matriculation School. Our project problem statement description. In 5 accidental places, we found a great point, so we plan to make a drone which fight against the fire in accidental places without the help of human beings by spreading water to the fire accidental areas. In industrial and domestic places, people are suffering a lot to work in so much difficult tasks. In army field, so many soldiers are sacrificing their own life to save our lives. So we created a drone which clearly noticed the enemy's place and kill the enemies against their, from our home area by controlling the drone to replace soldiers and to save their lives.
Idea and solution: gap analysis with current solution. Strengthens: drone using lithium-ion batteries for flying. We can battery working hours 6 to 8 hours. Future updates: inbuilt solar panels to charge batteries. Strengthens: propellers used to fly the drones more higher. Weakened: plastic propellers are used in drones when heavy wind crosses may get damaged. Future updates: light metal propellers want to replace the plastic propellers.
Usage sectors and solution and use cases. We created our own transmitter for our drone which works within 20 km of distance, and we also fitted a GSM module so we can control our drone anywhere from the earth with single message which contains a command. The solution for the flood affected area, we came friend and give our drone and help those people who are affected from flood. Not only flood, our drone is used in all disaster areas like earthquake, flood, cyclone to rescue people from their suffering in disasters.
Benefits to customers. Already in industrial field, there are so many machines to transport loads from one place to another. By replacing those machines, our drones can transport loads without the help of human beings. In military fields, there is not a robot to fight with enemies, so that we created a drone to fight against enemies by destroying their place with single command. Because soldiers like is more important than ours.
Uniqueness and key feature of our project. Uniqueness of drone is firefighting drone, which is automatically spot the fire and fight against it and off the fire without the help of humans. My drone had an inbuilt camera in which we can able to control our drone with this camera visualizing. By using the GSM module, we can send the accurate location of the fireplace, and the drone it can get into the place and of the fire and rescue people. The main key feature of our project is the accuracy, which means the drone accurately of the fire and rescue so much of people. This is our process of flow diagram, project process flow diagram. When the transmitter transmit the command, the receiver gets the receive commands and it's sent to the ESC, which is controlling the brushless motor and give the command to the brushless motor. And this is our prototype model of our drone and our prototype model 2, which is our transmitter. And this is our project budget detail. So finally, we thank you from our team donors.
Thank you.